Here's another video that totally demonstrates the incompetence of Jinan Missile CNC Equipment Limited out of China. This is a section of the vacuum table. As we can see here, right, we're in the 4 foot by 8 foot area. The table itself is actually 3 meters by 1500 or 1.5, and as we can see here, what they've done is they machined the 4 foot by 8 foot area fairly accurately, but as we go away from this, you'll then start to see the misalignment of the vacuum tabletop in regards to the chocolate block arrangement. As you can see here, right, it's already been offset, but worse than that, right, this company has decided to make varying size chocolate blocks, as they're referred to, on this vacuum table. As you can see, here's a couple of small ones, then there's a couple of big ones, then there's, like I said, reasonably relative. Actually, if you measure them, they're not even accurate. But as stated, as we can see here, right, there's a whole row of rectangular chocolate block patterns, and then we've got a larger one even here. So they get larger, then smaller and larger. Again, this shows how incompetent this company is in regards to manufacturing a piece of equipment, which in this case here, right, we won't be able to use any risers on this table because we won't be able to match them because of this varying chocolate block pattern all over the table. And again, they have indicated that this is totally acceptable because the vacuum table works. Well, I hate to say this to them, but if the other leading manufacturers did equivalent things to what these guys have done, and when we're not talking about a company that was born yesterday, they're at least 4 to 5 years old, and yet this sort of incompetent cutting is totally acceptable in their eyes. Again, I advise anyone that's looking at any missile product to be very wary, because what they are showing on their websites and the sort of machinery are all basically 3D rendered machines as far as images go, and they don't represent what the real machine that you'll be getting if you ever parted with your money. So again, CNC buyers, be extremely wary and aware of this company. And like I said, we'll be forwarding more and more videos, and there's more to come, which will basically indicate why this company should be totally avoided.